Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear viewers, a warm welcome to all of you. Our school, Al-Huda Academy, had conducted Science Expo on 29th November 2022, and our children have taken an initiative to explain the importance of renewable sources like water and how it should be used without wastage. My dear viewers, as you all know, 71% of Earth's surface is covered with water and about 97% of water is salty and only 3% is fresh water. Now, our children will tell you about the different sources of fresh water and how the fresh water is supplied to our houses and what happens to the dirty water that is drained from our houses. So, let us start.
The three main sources of water are surface water. The water is present on the ground. Example, stream, river, lake or oceans. Groundwater. Groundwater is the present below Earth's surface. Example, wells and springs. Rainwater.
Water is supplied from municipality to houses, and this system is called pump house. A pump house is a water supply provided to houses through pipe system by the municipality of the cities. The water from the rivers is supplied to the filtration tank where the water gets filtered from dust particles and is chemically treated. But during rainy season the water is very dirty. So double filtration method is used and the water from first filter is sent to the second filter where the water is again filtered for minute particles and chemicals like chlorine are added to kill the bacteria which causes diseases like cholera, dysentery, polio and many other harmful diseases. Now the filtered water is sent to big tanks through pipes. The water is stored in a tank and supplied every day to houses through pipes. The hard water and the soft water are supplied at different times for usage of drinking, cleaning, washing, planting and many other different.
Water is an important resource and should not be wasted. Sewage treatment is done in order to obtain water for further use. The wastewater has dissolved and suspended many impurities in it. These impurities are known as contaminants. The process of removing pollutants from water before it enters any water body or is reused is termed cleaning of water. The process of wastewater treatment is commonly known as sewage treatment. The method of wastewater treatment is as follows. The wastewater has collected and passed through bar screens where plastic bags, cans, napkins, etc. are removed. This water then enters grit and sand removal tank. Now the water is allowed to settle at the large tank which is slowed towards the center so that the solid particles are settled and removed by scraper. Air is pumped into this water to help aerobic bacteria grow. These bacteria consumes the waste by microbial actions. These microbes settle down after several hours and water at the top is removed. This water goes to chlorination tank where chlorine is added to water to kill bacteria. This water is stored in tank or the water is discharged into rivers and oceans or is put to other uses. Clean water is very basic need for all human beings. It is needed in cooking, drinking, washing and many other purposes. Factors like population of growth, industrial growth, mismanagement of resources have led to the scarcity of water. Water is necessary to sustain life on this planet.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Muhammad Umar Farooq. I am studying in 5th standard. My topic is hydroelectric power plant. Hydropower or hydroelectric power is the renewable source of energy that generates power by using flowing water from water bodies or dams. Hydropower relies on the endless, constantly recharging system of the water cycle to produce electricity. There are many types of hydropower facilities. Through they are all powered by kinetic energy of flowing water as it moves downstream. At the plant level, water flows through a pipe also known as penstock and then spins the blade in a turbine to convert the kinetic energy into electricity.
My name is Sakina Mariam. I am studying third standard. My model is about water cycle. The water cycle shows the continuous movement of water in the earth and atmosphere. Liquid water evaporates into water vapor and then condenses from clouds, and the clouds comes back to earth in the form of rain and snow. Water can be found all over earth, in the ocean, on land and in the atmosphere. The water cycle is the part that all water flows as it moves around our planet.